How to fix TikTok not opening. Let's jump right into the steps. First, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then you want to scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on general. Here you want to go ahead and tap on iPhone storage, and after it is loaded, scroll down a little bit and tap on TikTok. Now you want to go ahead and tap on offload app. After the app is offloaded, you want to reinstall the app. And that might solve your problem. If not, what you want to do is you want to exit this and then you want to delete your TikTok app from your phone and then reinstall it from App Store. Before you do that, what you need to do is you want to go to App Store and search for TikTok. And if the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and tap on it and update TikTok. And if it's not, then your app is updated. And that is how you can fix TikTok app not opening. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.